My name's Brad Presley. I'm the supervisor of the repair department. I've been with Festool just over 10 years. Our service department is made up of a wide variety of technicians, meaning that there are age groups ranging almost 40 years in age difference from our different service technicians. They come to us from all over the nation, even as far out as California, and of course we're here in Indiana. So it's a wide variety of folks that come together and really make up a very good team. So typical tool repair begins after your tool malfunctions. Visit our website, festoolusa.com. Up in the right-hand corner, you'll see a little logo that says My Festool. When you click on that, you'll see your account and the option to send the tool in. You complete the repair form and you get the label along with the repair form. You send the tool to us. As soon as the tool gets here, it's in a technician's hands. Usually 1 to 2 business days. They have it evaluated, repaired, and headed back to you. It's quick and very easy for you to get a tool to us. The United States Repair Department is a group of technicians that are all trained specifically to repair Festool tools. We are consistent with the Festool repair centers worldwide in that we are all trained for these tools. We use the same systems, everything from computer systems, all of the same drawings, even down to the hand tools to maintain that consistency. Yeah, service all-inclusive. This means that if anything goes wrong with your tool within 3 years, it costs you nothing to send the tool to us. We're going to evaluate it, get it repaired, and get it back in your hands. I love the people, the wide variety of people that I've met since being with Festool, everything from employees to the customers. I think my favorite part is everybody has a different story on what Festool is to them and how they learned about Festool and how they came to Festool, even our customers. And everybody's story is so different, but it brings everybody together. I think that's my favorite part.